Okay, student, let us start question number 2. Subtract the following. Sum A 89 lakh 21,352. From this number, we have to subtract 4 lakh 85,189. So, before starting the solution, already we have discussed the properties of subtraction, the rules. So, according to that rules, we'll be defining the representation of the solution. First, we are defining the headings as per the places of the digits. Bigger number we will be arranging first. So here we have defined all the digits as per the place value. After that, subtraction sign and the smaller value will be placed in the second, that is row. Now, as per the rule, we have to always start subtraction from the lower or the smallest place value. So here it is ones. We'll be seeing the first number. From 2 we have to subtract 9. From 2 we can't subtract 9, so we will be having a process of borrowing. So 2 will be going to the next column where number is written as 5. From 5 1 will be borrowed, and then this 5 after cancellation becomes 4, and this 2 when obtained 1 becomes 12. So here we will be first subtracting 9 from 12. 12 minus 9 becomes as 3. Here 4 was left. From 4 we have to subtract 8. Not possible. Again 4 will be going to the next column and apply, and then asking for lending one number. So here 3 will be lending 1 to 4. So 4 becomes as 14 and 3 becomes as 2. From 14 now subtract 8. So 14 minus 8, it will be 6. So define 6 here. Next column, now here it is 2. 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is possible. So from 2 when we subtract 1, it becomes as 1 only. Next number, 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5 not possible. Again 1 will be going to the next column and asking to lend one number. So 2 will be lending 1 to this 1. So here with 1 it becomes as 1 and 1 11. So after lending the number becomes 11 and this 2 becomes as 1. 11 minus 5 when we calculate it, it becomes a 6. Now from 1 we have to subtract 8. Not possible. Again this 1 will be going to the next column and asking for the value. So when 9 lend 1 to this 1, it becomes 11 and 9 becomes as 8. From 11 subtract 8, it will be 3. Next, from 8 we have to subtract 4. So from 8 subtraction of 4 is possible. So it becomes as 4 only. Now here 8 is alone copy as it is. So this way we will be having the final answer as 84 lakh 36,163. B sum, try to solve it in the same manner. Wherever we required borrowing, you have to borrow it when the second number is bigger than the first number. So we will be applying a process of borrowing, and wherever in the first phase only if number is bigger and second digit is smaller, then we will be directly able to subtract it. No need of borrowing the number. Let us come to the sum C. From 52 lakh 15,375 we have to subtract 25 lakh 6,789. Again we have placed all the headings. Arrangement of the digits we have done. Similarly, arrangement of second digit with minus sign we have done as per the place value. We will be going to the first, that is the smallest place value, ones. From 2 9 is not possible to subtract it, so 2 will be borrowing 1 from the next column digit, that is 7. 7 when lend 1 to number 2, 7 becomes as 6, so cut and write 6 here. and this 2 becomes as 12. When 1 is obtained from 7, 2 becomes as 1 to 12. 12 minus 9, it is 3. From 12, when 9 is subtracted, it becomes 3. Now 6 is there. From 6, subtraction of 8 is not possible. Again this 6 will be going to the next column and asking to land one digit. So here 6 becomes as 16 when 1 is obtained, and this 3 becomes as 2. So right here cut and write it 2. From 16 we will be subtracting 8. So it becomes as 8 only. Next we will be going to the 100 column. 2 minus 7. 2 minus 7 is not possible. So again this 2 will be going to the 1000 column and asking 5 to land 1. After landing 5 becomes as 4 and this 2 becomes as 12. So from 12 now subtraction of 7 is possible, and this way answer becomes 5. Next we will be going to the 1000 column. 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6 is not possible, so again 4 will be going to the next column and asking to land 1. So when this one number land 1 to 4, 4 becomes as 1 4 14, and then here nothing will be left, so we have to write 0. Again let us solve it. 14 minus 6. From 14 when we subtract the 6, it becomes as 8. So write 8 here. Next 0 minus 0. So 0 minus 0 will be 0 only. Let us move to lakh column. 2 minus 5 not possible. Again 2 will be going to the next, that is 10 lakh column and asking 5 to land 1. When 5 land 1 to this 2, it becomes 12 and 5 becomes as 4. So this way 12 minus 5 will be 7, and here it will be 4 minus 2. So 4 minus 2 becomes as 2. So we have obtained the final answer as 27 lakh 8,583. Try to check twice, thrice after having the calculation. This sum, try to solve it yourself as we have discussed earlier. Now come to eSum. Process is same, only the size of the number is increased. Remaining process is same. Now eSum is from 5 crore 39 lakh 18,729. We have to subtract 43 lakh 19,857. Again process is same. Headings are defined. Bigger number is arranged as per the place value with minus sign. Smaller number is placed along with the place value. Let us start from one's column. 9 minus 7. Yes, it is possible to subtract 7 from 9. So 9 minus 7 becomes as 2. Let us move to 10's column. From 2 we have to subtract 5. Not possible. 2 will be going to next column, that is 100 column, and asking 7 to land 1. When 7 land 1 to 2, 2 becomes as 1 to 12, and 7 will be having one number less, so it will be 6. So write here 6. Cut and write number 6 here. Now from 12, 5 is subtracted, it becomes 7. 6 minus 8. Earlier here it was 6. 6 minus 8. Not possible. Again 6 will be going to the next column and asking 8 to land 1. When 8 land 1 to 6, it becomes 1 6 16. And here cut and write the number which is left over, that is 7. So when 8 gives 1 to the near column value, so it becomes 7. 16 minus 8. Again 60 minus 8 is 8, so we will be writing answer as 8. 7 minus 9. Now 7 minus 9 not possible. Again 7 will be going to the next column and then asking 1 to land 1. So when 1 land 1 to 7, 7 becomes as 1 7 17, and here nothing will be left, so you write 0. Now from 17, when 9 is subtracted, it becomes as 8. So we will be writing 8 here. Let us move to 10,000 column. From 0 we have to subtract 1. From 0 we have to subtract 1. So from 0 subtraction of 1 is not possible. Again 0 will be going to the next column and asking 9 to land one number so that it can become bigger. So when 9 land 1 to 0, it becomes as 1 0 10, and here remaining number will be left over as 8. So cut and write 8. From 10 now subtract 1. So 10 minus 1 will be 9. So 10 minus 1 is 9. So we have written 9 here. Next 8 minus 3. From 8 subtraction of 3 is possible. So when we subtract 3 from 8, it becomes as 5. So write 5. 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 not possible. So, so from 3 subtraction of 4 is not possible. So again 3 will be going to the next column and asking 1 to land it. So when 5 land 1 2 3, it becomes 1 3 13, and 5 will be left over as 4. After landing 1, it becomes as 4. So 13 minus 4 when done, it becomes 9. 4 you have to write as it is. So this way we will be having final answer as 4 crore 95 lakh 98,872. Try to solve F sum in the similar manner.